I'm going to show you how to create jaw-dropping sandal heel typography in Illustrator that could go viral this year. Welcome to our exciting tutorial on creating stunning sandal heel typography in Adobe Illustrator. In this step-by-step guide, we'll explore innovative techniques to design eye-catching lettering inspired by fashionable sandal heels. Whether you're a beginner looking to enhance your design skills or a seasoned graphic designer seeking fresh inspiration, this video is perfect for you. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up your workspace in Illustrator for typography design, the process of creating unique sandal heel shapes that integrate seamlessly with your text, tips and tricks for manipulating fonts to achieve a stylish and modern look, techniques for adding color and texture to bring your typography to life. In my latest tutorial, I've crafted a unique and elegant design that combines the art of typography with fashion. Using Adobe Illustrator, I've created a stylish typography on a sandal heel, featuring two carefully chosen sentences that complement the design. The typography is kept light and delicate, perfectly blending with the sandal's aesthetics to create a sophisticated and modern look. The process is surprisingly simple and straightforward, making it accessible for anyone to recreate. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner, this tutorial will guide you step by step in creating a stunning and trendy design that's sure to turn heads. Join me in this creative journey and add a viral 2024 twist to your design portfolio. The typography for this women's sandal design is beautifully rendered using the ink-free font. This delicate and graceful typeface exudes a soft, handwritten charm that perfectly complements the elegance of the sandal. With its smooth, flowing strokes and light, airy feel, ink-free adds a touch of sophistication while maintaining a sense of approachability and warmth. Best of all, this font is absolutely free for both commercial and personal use, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to create stylish and refined designs without any restrictions. Typography for women has seen a remarkable evolution, embracing innovation and creativity like never before. New styles are emerging that blend elegance with boldness, reflecting the diverse and dynamic spirit of modern women. These fresh typographic designs often incorporate delicate, flowing fonts that exude femininity while also experimenting with unconventional shapes, intricate patterns, and vibrant colors. This innovation in typography is not just about aesthetics, it's about empowerment, offering women unique ways to express their identity, style, and voice through design. As designers push boundaries, typography for women continues to evolve, setting new trends that are as powerful and inspiring as the women they represent. The combination of shocking pink and greenish blue in this design creates a striking and energetic contrast that is both bold and refreshing. Shocking pink, with its vibrant and lively tone, brings a sense of excitement and femininity, making it a perfect choice for a modern, fashion-forward design. Paired with greenish blue, which adds a touch of calm and sophistication, the two colors balance each other beautifully. This pairing not only captures attention but also evokes a sense of creativity and originality. Together, they create a dynamic visual experience that is both eye-catching and harmonious, making the design stand out in a unique and stylish way. To further enhance the impact of my sandal typography design, I've brought it into Photoshop to create a stunning presentation on a t-shirt. This not only showcases the versatility of the typography but also demonstrates how the design can be adapted across different mediums. By placing the sandal typography on a t-shirt, I've created a stylish and trendy look that resonates with modern fashion. The presentation highlights the intricate details of the typography, allowing it to shine in a new context. This approach not only emphasizes the design's aesthetic appeal but also its potential as a unique fashion statement, making it a perfect fit for both footwear and apparel. If you enjoyed this typography tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me continue to create more content just for you. I've already uploaded a variety of typography videos, each one packed with tips, techniques, and creative ideas to inspire your next project. So, make sure to explore the other tutorials on my channel. You're sure to find something that sparks your creativity. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting design content.